Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking you through the update of AWS Free Tier and how you can create an AWS Free Tier account. If you're someone new who is just getting started with AWS, you will be eligible for up to $200 in credits, and you can use these credits to play with AWS services, get hands-on, and also build applications. So with this free plan, you can experience AWS for up to 6 months without any cost or commitment and receive up to $200 in credits. And it includes free usage of some of the services, and there are no charges incurred unless you switch to a paid plan. So just want to share that you will be eligible for up to 100 USD when you sign up for an account. But when you do explore some key AWS services, you will be eligible for that extra $100. So for just clarity, you'll receive $100 in AWS credits upon sign up, and you can earn an additional $100 in credits by using services like EC2, Amazon Relational Database Service, AWS Lambda, Bedrock, and AWS Budgets. So let's go ahead and see how you can create this free account. So when you click this free account, you will be prompted to sign up for AWS and give your main root email address along with the AWS account name, and you would be prompted to verify this email address. So for simplicity purposes, I have already created my own account, but I'll be walking you through how you can create your account. So there are 6 main steps. These are pretty simple and also self-explanatory. So once you enter your account information, including your email and account name, you would be directed to add your contact information, and you can add your mobile number here and say choose continue. And then next you would be adding your payment method, and you would not be billed until 6 months unless you switch for a paid plan. So let's go ahead and add our billing information at this step. Once you have added your billing information, you can verify your phone number and enter the code which you choose, which you get, and then say choose continue and choose an AWS support plan. So in this step, we should choose AWS support plan as free tier, and you should say choose free plan. So once you selected that, you can go ahead and say complete sign up. Usually account activation takes within minutes, and you would be receiving an email that your account is being activated. But sometimes this process might take up to 24 hours. So this is about the sign up process. And in the next step, we will see how you can do those key 5 steps to earn those 100 extra dollars in credits.